I think I just found the perfect solution to transcribe your audio or video locally, completely safe, for free, and as I said, locally runs on your PC, so you can transcribe all your secret videos and so on. It's a little bit technical, but nothing special, because just follow the steps you have in the description, all the copy-paste commands, and don't be afraid, very easy, very straightforward to do. And if you find this helpful, just drop a comment below so we can push some algorithm, engagement for this video. So let me show you. First of all, we need to go to the Whisper.cpp, link is in the description as I said before, and over here scroll a little bit down and download this one. After you download it, extract it to the release folder. You will have something like this, and if you open it up, you will see your folder structure. This is very important. But let's now download the model. Go to the Hugging Face, also the link is in the description, and make sure to find this ggmlmedium.bin. Just click this download arrow. Now we go back to our release folder and make sure to create this folder named models, and double click to open it up and put your downloaded model here. Make sure to follow exactly this structure. I had problems before because I didn't download the FFmpeg exe. You can see it here. To download it, we need to go to the FFmpeg website and make sure to download this one over here. After it's downloaded, make sure to open it up. I have a folder here. Go inside and go to bin. And make sure to extract only this FFmpeg.exe, because we only need this one, and put your FFmpeg exe directly inside here. So you can see that my FFmpeg exe is here. And now the magic happens when you put your audio or video file inside this folder. Make sure to put it exactly here. If you don't have audio file, only video file, you can use Audacity or CapCut to extract the audio file. It will be easier and faster for you to do, and put your final file here. I named my audio file final. Make sure to remember how you name this, because we will use this in a command right now. I will delete. This is the output of my previous file. You can see here. I will delete it so you can see how this works. And now we need to go here up and type in cmd, and don't worry, nothing spectacular. You can always copy paste this command all the time. And I will now just paste my command here. I will put the command in the description below so you can always copy paste it. You just save it somewhere in the notepad. It is exactly like this, and make sure that you see this final. The name is the same name of our file, our audio file, and it will output it as a final, as a txt file. So just hit enter and wait for a program to transcribe your audio. And when the process is done, you can just open your text file and see your audio transcribed over here. And this is it. If you find this video helpful, let me know in the comments below. And if you run into any problems, drop in the comments, but try to use ChatGPT to fix those problems. It works like a charm. So see you in the any other video. Bye bye.